Okay, here's my nature journal that I just finished. I'm really happy how this one came out. It's 5 3/4 wide, 9 inches tall. It has a 3-inch spine and just some lovely paper. I used the base of it as a hanging file folder. I had some beautiful kits from a few different creators that I'll put in the description. It has 2 signatures. And there's actually still room to add more stuff because even though it's quite full, it has tons of writing space in it. It's got this ribbon closure, and it actually closes 2 sections of it. The front flips out and then flips this way. There's a large tag here, tags there, and tag there. And then when you close this, if you take just the green ribbon and the beige ribbon and tie them, that keeps the cover closed while you're working in the journal. It's got an inside pocket here with a couple of tags, and there's still room for more. Of the 2 journals, the end papers on both journals flip out for some extra writing space. And then there's just some lovely kits in here. This page has got 3 tags and pockets. And then this has got some basically like specimen card tags. 4 of them there. This page has got a side tuck with a couple of journal cards, and it's got a couple of little chimes there. And this side's got 2 more tags. And then this is a hidden paper clip, so it's not stuck there, it can move, and on each side it's got a little bit of paper to journal on. And of course the page itself has a lot of journaling space. This is a tab to an envelope later on, but there's journaling space there. And then this is a belly band and a little image, and it moves. And it's got 2 journaling cards. You can still write on that even though it's kind of an image. And there's a tag and a pocket here. And then there's a little paper clip here. And so the oval part flips up for journaling space there and even there. And then the whole thing flips up. And there's journaling space there and behind it. And then this is another hidden paper clip that holds this little section closed. It flips out, oops, one more, this way. And it also flips out this way. So, easily sort of hidden writing, but lots of journaling space there. A couple of specimen cards. And then this pocket I really like. Has 2 tags, one in the back and one right there, and one all the way in the back. Some printed vellum. And these 3 little coin pockets flip out, and each one has a tag in it. And then there's this tuck spot on the side with a couple of tags in it. Could even write on the front. And another tuck spot with a couple of tags. tags. And then this was from, it was actually a guest book, but I love the images on it, and it just fit this journal perfectly. And then this is a tall hidden paper clip. And the back flap has got a pocket with 4 little tags in it. And in the back of it, that's kind of hidden until you take it off, is 2 other little tags. And it could go anywhere in the journal. So that's how it looks in the back. Lots of journaling space. Some tags in this little corner pocket. Goodness gracious. And then there's a corner writing spot here. It's got little pages to write on. And this is the other side of that envelope pocket. Nothing's in it right now. And the back has got a tag. This page has got 3 little pockets with basically like cigarette card size tags in them. There's a little hidden writing spot. And then the top of this page, I decided to put a little tab on there, kind of to hide the edge of the paper. And it's got a little bird charm on it. And you could move this anywhere in the journal, but I thought it was really cute on this page. Little tab sticking out. And then here's the last page of the first signature. And then the second signature. And this is just an envelope with tuck space. I've got these envelopes have this beautiful paper inside. I got them at an estate sale, so I don't know where they originally came from. But I thought they were lovely. A couple of pockets with a couple of tags. The other side as well. This is a page from an instruction booklet of the Palmer method of business writing, and I thought it was so cool and really neat paper. It was very old. I don't remember how old. A couple of tags. Here's a top tuck with a couple of tags in it, and a bottom tuck. And then this envelope has a little paper in there that matches the theme. And then here's a little removable scrappy notebook on this top belly band. Oh, and then this is a tag in the very back. And then there's several small tags in these little pockets. And then this side has got a little belly band with a large tag. And a little side tuck with another tag. And then this hidden paper clip has got a couple of tags on this side. And a larger one on the other side. And this is just some coffee dyed vellum. There's a tuck with a tag. On this side, this folds out. There's writing space on the back. And a couple of tags tucked behind it. And then this is from an old book on, if it was pottery or different art and stuff. But this is a hidden paper clip with a little journaling spot on the back. And so is this one. And then inside the page, the folds are 4 other tags. A couple big ones and a couple of medium size. And then this tag just has some paper in it. And then this little paper clip with a little bit of linen on it has a couple of places to journal. And then this card just slips down and you can write on it. And then this is a matchbook with a scrappy little notebook in it. And it's on a hidden paper clip. Oh, a wrapped paper clip anyway. And then this envelope just tucks on there, and I like how it looked through the vellum there. It's got a couple tags in the front, and then it's just a junk mail envelope. It has a tag in there. It's just some pretty paper on it. And then here's another hidden paper clip with just some journaling paper underneath both sides. And then this has got 2 little tags on this side and a belly band with a large tag on this side. But this also covers the flap of the envelope, which has another little bit of writing space. So you could almost hide it there. And it just slides on there. Angle right. And then corner text with a couple of tags. And there's a tuxedo envelope with a large tag in it. And a side tag. Writing space, and this is a belly band that goes across around the page. There's a small tag in the front and a large tag in the back, and the other side has another tag in the front and just some paper in the back. And then this little pocket, I don't have anything in it, but you could certainly tuck something in there. And then there's a tag in the back. And then just side image, and here's the last page that folds out. And the back pocket has got a couple of tags and a large tag in the very back. So there's tons of writing space in this journal, and I love all the nature themes. I will post this on my Ko-fi page, and it should be up there soon. Thank you.